Hello guys, sorry, I'm going to show you this right here. So, it's a plush toy from Little Big Planet. I got it on Amazon. I cut the tag off, so it's like a little butthole. Okay. And this zipper right here looks like it's real, but no, it's fake. The two button eyes, those are plastic. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell it that it's plastic, but that's not plastic. It has his tongue. You can move his tongue. If you try to close his mouth, it looks weird. You can't close his mouth. Okay. His legs move. His arms move. And yeah, it's pretty cool. And yeah, I made a custom pod. I'll show you that in the video after this. I have another one of these. So I'm going to make a video. Bye-bye.